Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is just a quick tip, something I found. I haven't noticed anybody say anything about it yet. Let's go up to the top right corner of the screen, click that little icon, and you have all your resolution settings right here. You want to make it vertical, you do it right here. I am on the studio version. I'm not too sure about the free one. I'll go back. We'll go square, 1080 by 1080 it says. Portrait. And 4K. Well, hope that helps somebody out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.